is not Harry. I'm not a wizard. You just get my hopes so high. My dreams are crushed. I'm just
watching some Veggies right there, as you guys can see. Make sure you go subscribe to Veggies. Super funny. I just found him like a week ago. Man, cracking up. Awesome vegan guy. Actually, just awesome person in general. Hit a minor grocery haul. I really just went there to get distilled water. Ended up spending 50 bucks on stuff. But we're up and at it again. About to do another video of what I eat in a day. About to show you guys exactly what goes down in a vegan kitchen. You dig? So let's go. So starting off, sorry. I got this coconut original unsweetened, you dig? Got two of those, my mom really likes them. And then I got this, which I have not gotten in a long time, unsweetened soy milk. And I would always get this one because the ingredients are so clean. Aside from the fact that it's soybeans, and I know a lot of people have issues with soy, but I kind of do too. I feel like I don't feel the best when I have it. It's been a while though, and I kind of wanted just a high protein milk, but check it out. There's the ingredients. Reverse osmosis, purified water, and organic soybeans. 2 ingredients. Strong mineral content right there, as you can see. Nice amount of protein. On to the next culprit. These guys. Super simple and awesome. Great source of protein. Organic cooked pinto beans, sea salt. That's it. Wow, that salt is pretty high, guys. I did not notice that. That's in half a cup though. Got this barbecue sauce right here, original barbecue. Clean ingredients, no honey in there. No honey in there for all the people asking. Yep, sodium's probably a little high. But again, it takes me like 2 or 3 months to go through one of these, so a little bit there. New gum I saw from Ecuador. Clean ingredients. Organic cane sugar, wild harvested rainforest chicle, natural flavoring, organic glycerin from corn, organic sunflower lecithin, whatever that is. Boom! This guy was on sale. Still expensive at 6 bucks, but I love Bronner's brand. Patchouli lime, organic hand and body lotion. 6 bucks for this bad boy. I know, it's kind of expensive. It is what it is. What else do we get? Okay. Boom! Teriyaki premium roasted seaweed. It's been a while. It's $1.65. I don't get this usually just because it's a little expensive. I know, it's just $1, whatever. But still, for the amount of stuff you get, it's not that great. And then these guys. Sorry, I'm kind of acting a little negative here. Boom! These were on sale, $2.80. Love these. Super clean ingredients, in my opinion. Let's look at these ingredients. Potatoes, organic coconut oil, organic apple cider vinegar powder, sea salt, fructose, citric acid, organic rice concentrate. By far, some of the cleanest apple cider vinegar chips I've seen in stores. Sodium, what is that, 340? I'm on a roll today with these threes. Everything's got over 300 in it. Jeez. I know, guys, I'm a salt fiend. I'm just kidding. All right, what else did we get? Oh yeah, I did get a big bundle of bananas. You know, so I can make that nice cream slash smoothie slash anything I want to make with bananas, because bananas are delicious. And then some of this bread that I showed you when I was getting it in the store. Yep, veganic flax and spelt bread. It does still have wheat and wheat gluten in it, guys, so it's not fully, you know, just flax and spelt, but it is really good. I like it. Ingredients are clean. If you want to see those, I guess I'll show you. Let's see where the ingredients are. Organic sprouted spelt, water, organic flax, organic whole raisins, organic vital wheat gluten, yeast, unrefined salt. On to the next one. Boom! What is this? Spicy yuba noodles. Yeah. I dig these. Had these before right here. These are really good, guys. I really enjoy these. Haven't had them in a couple months. Like I said, I was kind of staying away from soy for a little bit, but I'm back. Oh, Veggie is playing ping pong. I love ping pong, man. Any of my friends know. Yes, any of my friends. Hodo organic yuba. Water organic soybean oil. Water rice vinegar. Water rice gluten-free tamari. sugar, sesame oil, chilies, cornstarch, brown sugar, cayenne, garlic, ginger, orange peel, licorice. Not too bad, eh? I like it. But that protein though, oh my gosh, 300 sodium again. Hey, my boy T with me. Handling that. There it is. You dig. We're drinking that beet juice, baby. Nitric oxide. Vasodilator gang. So I got a pan right here, about to put some water in it, not using any oil. Broccoli right there. Some onions and some cabbage. Not a lot to work with, but we're making a tempeh peanut veggie stir fry. Let's get it. When the water starts to bubble up a little bit, get hot, I'm going to add the onions. Tempeh marinated in coconut aminos. That's about it. I'm about to cook this up, and I have a whole separate sauce that I'm going to be using for the actual whole dish. This is just a marinated amino. Alright, so we just finished cooking all the veggies. I'm going to bring those here so you can see them. Tempeh and veggies. And we're throwing them in the bowl. So here are the steamed veggies. Pretty plain, not a lot of seasoning on there, but we are about to season it up. Oh yeah. So here we are.
Doesn't look the most tasty. I promise though, that peanut sauce, it's nice. I don't like dry food, so this is definitely the opposite of dry. It's a juicy bite right there. So we take this. Here it is. Delicious. Here's the perfect bite. Some onions, some broccoli, and some tempeh. Drip, drip. Every bite, so rich.
Totally digging this smoothie. So good. 2 bananas makes it way better than yesterday. I only had one yesterday. It was still really good because the protein powder has stevia in it, so that obviously makes it a little bit sweeter, but 2 bananas is a go on this smoothie. Super fire. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it wasn't really a lot today. I didn't really show you what I eat fully in a day, but did a little grocery haul, did the tempeh stir fry, and finish off with the smoothie. Stay tuned. I got more on the way, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuce.